In this video, I'm going to teach you how to find old servers in Roblox. It's a very quick and easy process, so make sure to follow along. As you guys know, if you open up a game or experience in Roblox, you only have the option to join by using this big green button or scrolling down into the Servers tab and choosing from one of these random servers. What this means is that it is impossible to know how long a server has been out for. Is there a method to only join old servers or increase your chance to join an old server? Well, yes. All you have to do is use the Rope Pro extension. So go into Google and look for Rope Pro or Roblox Pro in the Chrome Web Store. This extension works in any Chrome Web Store compatible browsers, and of course that means Google Chrome, but also other browsers can use this extension like Firefox or Opera GX. So download the extension, edit your browser, and after you do, turn it on if you need to, and you should be able to see it by clicking the extension icon. After you do that, click on the RowPro name to access the settings and make sure the Join a Random Server button is enabled. So tick this box if this is unticked. Now you can go back to the game page and reload, and you should be able to see this Server Hop button. All you have to do now is use this button whenever you're trying to join a game, because this button will put you into an absolutely random server, which means that it's going to increase your chances of getting an old server in the experience or game you are trying to play. I hope I was able to help you on how to find old servers in Roblox. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more quick and easy tips. Thank you for watching.